Hey everybody, it's me, Rodney. I got a song for y'all. It's called CeeLo Green, Forget You. Dun dun dun, 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 dun dun dun. I see you ride around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough. I'm like, forget you. Now, I said I'm sorry, I can't afford a Ferrari, but that don't mean can't get you there. Guess she's an Xbox, and I'm more like a Atari, or the way she played that game in there. I picture the fool and fall in love with you, yeah. Well, although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best with a forget you. Now I know that I have to borrow, begging, stealing, lying, cheat, yeah. Trying to keep ya, trying to please ya, 'cause being in love with you ain't cheap. Now picture the fool that falls in love with you, well, yeah. Although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best with a forget you. Now baby, 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 why you wanna hurt me so bad, so bad? I tried to tell my mama, but she told me you just went for your dad. Yeah, she did. And I was like, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, baby, yeah. I love you, I still love you. Yeah, I see you right around town. Girl, I love, I'm like, forget you. I got the change in my pocket, wasn't enough. I'm like, forget you. Okay, I know I did a little messy, but I'm sorry my voice is a little loud, but if y'all do like it, like, subscribe, go to YouTube. It'll be called Rodney Singing Forget You, CeeLo Green. Love y'all. I'll be posting this on Facebook. I have a Facebook page. It's called Rodney Darnell Haynes. Rodney Darnell Haynes. Okay, everybody, Rodney Darnell Haynes. Just keep doing. And if it's any kids out there, keep doing what y'all doing. If y'all keep following y'all dreams, y'all keep doing what y'all need to do. Love y'all.